You must see this black Infiniti G37 Coupe. This vehicle is powered by a gas V6 3.7L/225 engine with an RWD. We priced this Infiniti G37 Coupe to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like a 3.7L DOHC SMPI 24-valve V6 aluminum engine, a continuously variable valve timing control system, dual gas hood struts, a vehicle dynamic control VDC, a rear-wheel drive, double wishbone front suspension, independent aluminum alloy multi-link rear suspension, front-rear stabilizer bars, a temporary use spare tire and an engine speed-sensitive PWR rack pinion steering. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. Feel the power. With a 6-cylinder engine, you'll have a rollicking good time when you start up the engine. Deals like this are far and few. Act now and call us today.